Okay, so I mentioned a couple of times in class what I'm going to be doing across this year is producing a series of short videos emphasising some of the key points from weekly sessions just to help you with revision, build up a catalogue of really bite-sized little chunks that you can focus on. So this is the first one, a little bit late, but I'll put this out now and I'll do another one very quickly after on some of the other points and then keep them coming each week. So we're just finishing off the skeletal system now, so we just want to emphasise some of the really big points that we've looked at in the skeleton so far. First of all being the functions of the skeleton. Obviously the ones to mention that frequently get forgotten: mineral storage, energy storage. Okay, mineral storage being mainly calciums and phosphorus, and emphasising the fact they can be released by the bones back into the body when they're needed for other functions, such as muscular contraction. Energy storage, again, fat stores in the centre of long bones that can again be released into the system. The other one that's sometimes a bit complicated: blood cell formation in the bone marrow, mainly in the heads of long bones like the femur. Other than that, movement speaks for itself, everyone gets that. Protection, tons of great examples. And then the other one is support. Now, people often, and I think we did this in class, some people said shape, some people said support, some people might say structure, but they're all the same, all right? So don't utilize all of them. All the S's, shape, structure, support, all the same thing, one function. All right, moving on from that, the skeleton fulfills those functions with the collection of bones that we have, various different types of bone or bone shapes that we see. We've got flat bones, short bones, long bones, irregular bones, sesamoid bones. So we'll just quickly recap the descriptions of those. Long bones, longer than they are wide. Okay. So the femur, the humerus, the radius, the ulna, all great examples. Short bones, as wide as they are long, so they're in the shape of a cube. And I know we've mentioned this a couple of times, really emphasize it. The actual length of the bone isn't important, it's the shape. So your phalanges, or your fingers, whilst those bones aren't very long, they are still classed as long bones, so don't get that confused. Flat bones, there's not much more to say, they are flat or roughly flat. Sternum, ribs, scapula, different bones of the cranium all meet those criteria. Irregular bones just don't fit into any of those other categories. The shape of regular bones tends to be really closely related to the functions they do. So like the bones of the face shaped in order to give you the features or key attachment points for muscles. And then the last one being sesamoid bones. And again, this is the one at the beginning of the year everyone struggle to name this one or struggle to identify an example of this. So sesamoid bone is a bone that grows inside a tendon, and it's there to give a functional advantage. Okay, make movement more efficient or protect the tendon in some way, shape or form. The only example we've all got is the patella, but you may get other sesamoid bones forming in places where tendons run close to bones, so like your hands and your feet. All right, that's enough for now. Be back again with some more soon.